One sunny day, in a green and lush forest, lived a little turtle named Flash. Flash was not like the other turtles. He had bright, flashing stripes that shone like the stars in the sky. Flash loved to explore the forest, but he was always in a hurry. His friends would often say, "Slow down, Flash. You'll reach your destination faster if you don't rush." One day, Flash overheard them. He decided to take their advice and slow down. He wanted to see the beauty of the forest that he had been missing. As he walked, he saw a tiny, beautiful flower blooming. It was a flower he had never seen before. He knelt down to take a closer look. "Hello, little turtle," a small voice said. Flash looked around, but he saw no one. Then he realized the voice was coming from the flower. "I'm the flower of wisdom," the voice explained. "I have a quest for you. I need someone to find the forgotten pond. It's hidden deep within the forest, and only one who truly appreciates the beauty of nature can find it." Flash was excited. He had never heard of the forgotten pond, but he was determined to find it. He thanked the flower of wisdom and went on his way. He walked for hours, looking for the forgotten pond. He climbed hills, crossed rivers, and even swam in a lake. But he couldn't find it. Just when he was about to give up, he noticed a small, hidden path. He decided to follow it, and to his surprise, he found the forgotten pond. The forgotten pond was the most beautiful place Flash had ever seen. It was surrounded by tall, ancient trees, and the water was so clear that he could see the pebbles at the bottom. Flash sat down by the pond, taking in its beauty. He realized that he had been so busy rushing through life that he had missed the beauty of the world around him. From that day on, Flash slowed down. He took his time to appreciate the beauty of the forest, and he became known as the wisest turtle in the land. And every night, as he looked up at the stars, he would remember the flower of wisdom and the forgotten pond, and the lesson he had learned, to slow down and appreciate the beauty of life.